Alright everybody, we made it to the beach. There could be some fun ones out there though. Let's get this party started. Practically got the beach to myself. It's cold and windy out here. No wonder nobody's out. Get my leash hooked up. I do not want to be chasing after my board. I usually don't use one on a longboard, but a day like today, you never know what can happen out there. I'm just stoked to get out and get in the water, man. See y'all out there. Don't forget, enjoy the ride. See how quick the current takes me. The car is all the way down there. It is chilly. Hit the beach break. Had to go in and switch boards. That beach break is tight and fast. Gotta get up and get to it. It ain't playing. Gotta try and get some more. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the vlog. Just another day in paradise. Doing some board fixes, ding repairs, maybe a re-wax. Getting this GoPro mount set up on the modern. Give y'all some new angles on the mid-length board. I think we just about got this finished up. Not the prettiest job ever, but should be watertight and should hold. We'll see. Alright. Time to let this bad boy dry up. A new angle. Be something like that. We got that drying up. Take a gander in the greenhouse.